This is my Rheem furnace, classic 90 plus premium efficiency. These are the doors from the furnace. Okay, here's the furnace. Blower up there, blows out to the top. The furnace filter will sit above there. Blower, this is the flue motor that blows clean air into the heat exchanger that's hiding inside of there. I thought I had a crack in my heat exchanger because the flames here were dancing outward of the hole. Okay, but after I cleaned everything, and I mean everything, I pulled the blower out. I can get a hold of it. I can't pull it out right now because I reconnected the wires. As you can see inside there, still pretty greasy. Greasy, grimy crap. So pushing it back in, it's just held in by two screws, one there and one there. And so my problem here is this gasket here. You can see this screw is rusting here, and there's a drip happening right here. This gasket is leaking down onto this sensor. It's making a puddle of water right there. So this is very similar to the hot water heater blower, like identical almost, just a little smaller, and it just, gasket's still soft, but I gotta take this apart and take a look at the gasket and see if I can jury rig something, or did I just say jury rig? Well, that was weird. And stop the drip from happening. If not, I'm just gonna wrap some tin foil and make the condensation go over there for now.